With AzonPress, you can insert Amazon product affiliate links directly into your posts in multiple different styles. If you have AzonPress installed in your WordPress website, whenever you create or edit a post or page, you will see an AzonPress button above the editor. Clicking that button will open a pop-up window with some new features including product templates, product elements, and bestseller lists. Here, we will focus on the product layouts available in AzonPress. First, you have to pick some products from Amazon. Search for products from the search field. Select the products you want to work with. Now select a layout style. Here, we will exhibit grid style as example. In grid layout, you can choose the number of products you want to show in each row. Then click Insert Shortcode. Here, you can see the generated shortcode. Save the post and let's preview it. You can even edit the shortcode without going back to the previous page. Let's see what happens when we edit the shortcode. The appearance changes every time we edit the shortcode. You can also implement the other layouts AzonPress offers. Here you will find box layout, list layout, table layout, widget layout, and small widget layout. Each layout will give you a different product display. Choose your favorite layout and build an amazing online product shop with AzonPress. To know more about AzonPress, visit AzonPress documentation from our website. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of our YouTube channel for more tutorials and pro tips.